Hi children, this is 6th standard maths class. Today we are going to do some word problems in exercise 2.2. Okay, now look here, the first question. Here the question is, a taxi driver filled his car's petrol tank with 40 liters of petrol on Monday. The next day he filled the tank with 50 liters of petrol. Okay. If the petrol cost rupees 44 per liter, how much did he spend in all on petrol? So what the question means here? That is, the taxi driver filled his car's petrol tank with 40 liters. Okay, 40 liters of petrol on Monday. Fill 40 liters of petrol. Then on the next day he fills 50 liters of petrol. So what we want to find here? We want to find the cost he spent in all on petrol. മൊത്തം പെട്രോളിന് എത്രയാണ് amount എന്ന് കണ്ടുപിടിക്കണം. Here the cost of 1 liter petrol is given here, that is rupees 44. Cost is rupees 44 per liter. Per liter means for 1 liter the cost is rupees 44. Okay, now let's write the statements. So how will you write the statement? That is petrol filled on Monday. Okay, let's write the statement. Petrol filled on Monday. Petrol filled on Monday is 40 liter. Okay, 40 liter. Next, or the next day, that is petrol filled on next day. Petrol filled on next day is 50 liter. The petrol filled on the next day is 50 liter. Now we want to find the total petrol filled in a day. ഒരു ദിവസം എത്ര fill ചെയ്തു എന്നുള്ളത്. Okay, ഒരു ദിവസം അല്ല, ആ രണ്ട് ദിവസം കൂടി എത്ര fill ചെയ്തു. That is total petrol filled on these 2 days. As you want to find the sum of these 2 liters. So what's the answer? It is 90 liter. Okay, total petrol filled on these 2 days. On Monday 40, on the next day it is 50. So the total petrol filled on those days is 90 liter. Total fill cheyathu. Okay, now what we want to find? Want to find the cost. Idinte etra 90 liters ne etra amount aanu spend cheyidittulladu. Here we know that the cost of 1 liter petrol is 44. Okay, so let's write the statement. Cost of 1 liter petrol is rupees 44. Okay, so what about the cost of 90 liters of petrol? 90 liter of petrol means you want to multiply this number by 44. Okay, 44 into 90. But direct multiplication cheyam, but here we are using the simplified method. That is 44 into what is 90? 90 means it is 100 minus 10. Here we can change this number. 90 can be changed like this, 100 minus 10. Now the next step is you want to multiply this number by these two numbers. Okay, so 44 into 100 na etraya? That is 4, then add 2 zeros minus 44 into 10, that is 440. Okay, now we want to subtract these two numbers. Let's do it here. 4, 2 zeros, then last 440. So 0 minus 0, it is 0. Here comes 10, 3, again this comes 13 and last 3. 10 minus 4, 6, 13 minus 4, 9 and last comes 3. That is 3,960 rupees. He spent 3,960 rupees for 90 liter of petrol. Okay, അപ്പോൾ കോസ്റ്റ് ഒരു ലിറ്ററിൻ്റെ കോസ്റ്റ് എന്ന് പറയുന്നത് 44 ആണ്. അപ്പോൾ 90 ലിറ്ററിന് എത്ര ഉണ്ടെന്ന് ചോദിച്ചു. ദാറ്റ് വി ഫൈൻഡ് ഹിയർ 3,960 rupees is there for 90 liter of petrol. Clear? Now let's do the second problem. Look it out here. The first, a vendor, okay, vendor supplies 32 liters of milk to a hotel in the morning and 68 liters of milk in the evening. Okay, the vendor supplies milk, 32 liters of milk in the morning, and on the evening he spent 68 liters of milk in the evening. if the milk cost rupees 45 per liter, how much money is due to the vendor per day? അപ്പോൾ എങ്ങനെ നമ്മളിത് കണ്ടുപിടിക്കുക? ഒരു ഡേയിൽ എത്ര എമൗണ്ട് കൊടുത്തിട്ടുണ്ടാവും, അല്ല എത്ര എമൗണ്ട് വെൻഡറിന് കിട്ടിയിട്ടുണ്ടാകും, എങ്ങനെ കണ്ടുപിടിക്കാം? ലെറ്റ്സ് റൈറ്റ് ദ സ്റ്റേറ്റ്മെൻറ്റ്. ദാറ്റ് ഈസ് മിൽക്ക് supplied. Okay, milk supplied in the morning. Milk supplied in the morning is how much? It is 32 liter. 32 liter of milk is supplied in the morning, and on evening milk supplied in the evening. Milk supplied in the evening is 68 liter. So we want to find the total milk supplied in a day. ഒരു ഡേയിൽ എത്ര മിൽക്ക് സപ്ലൈ ചെയ്തിട്ടുണ്ട്. For this you want to add the numbers. Okay, total milk is supplied. Total milk supplied is equals, here 2 plus 8, 10, then comes 100. That is 100 liter is supplied in a day. That is total milk supplied in a day. It is 100 liter. Now we want to find the cost of 100 liter milk. Here we know that the cost of 1 liter milk is rupees 45. But 100 liter is easy. So let's write here. Cost of 1 liter milk is equal to rupees 45. So what is the cost of 100 liter milk? 100 liter milk is 45 into 100. Okay, 45 into 100. What's the answer? 4500. That is 4,500 rupees. So the cost of 100 liter petrol, 100 liter milk is rupees 4,500. Clear? So children, you want to study these two word problems and you want to write this in your notebook. Okay, so that's all about today's class, children.